Hey everyone, in this video I will demonstrate a new method to earn money online, and that's how to make money online by watching advertisements. And this method is absolutely free and it's a great way of earning side income. If that interests you, then watch this video to the end. But before we get started, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward approach to earning money online. Please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell turned on so you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method. Alright, let's get started. The name of the website I'm talking about is called star-clicks.com. star-click.com. You can see it. Popular payout method, fast, secure, bank transfer, Western Union. Okay, so he said yesterday, today, and tomorrow with StarClick, largest advertising network and ads provider since 2008, using best advertising solution with geo and social targeting, reaching millions of users online and mobile, easy to use. Then click and publish adverts and earn money online. Work and earn money online. Okay, so this is how it goes. For this place, you can see the publisher tab and the advertiser tab. Okay, if you want to make money, this is the publisher tab for you. It said earn money online. Start working now, earn money and get paid online. Okay, publish ads, get paid online. Sign in to see how much you can earn. Get paid instantly. Your balance is updated instantly or immediately. Withdraw your balance to PayPal, bank transfer, or other withdrawal platform. Quick and free to start, so it's 100% free to join. No investment and nothing is required of you. This is for advertisers. So if you want to come here to advertise your website for clicks, for impression, to improve your SEO, that is your search engine optimization, and you want to draft traffic to your website, you can start from by applying here. Okay, let's look at it. It says start today, start immediately, sign up and start working right now. Easy sign up page. No skill is required whatsoever. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need any special skills. It says turn your time into profile. No better way to earn from your time. So that is how to go about it. Fast payout. That's a fast payout transfer. Manually withdraw your balance to your account or use auto payout. Then we have quality service and support. Free support to both advertiser and publisher, so you can get the customer care to discuss any issue or anything with. No contract, no as open or close your account at any time, no question asked, so you can terminate your appointment with them anytime. Well, down below we can see that it has delivered about 189,129,298 adverts delivered so far. It has about 154,137,904 ads clicked already, and it has about 24,583 published ads so far. Wow, it has about 200, that is 2 million members since 2021. So the site is massive. So if you want to get a taste of it, just click on this place. Look at it. Just click on sign up. You can see sign up. It's trying to load. Sign up. So please sign up for publisher account. Do publisher account, don't do advertiser, except you are trying to advertise your website. So do publisher account. Sign up for a publisher account to make money. Use this account type to make money online. So just click on sign up. Okay, so this is it. Enter your name, your last name, date of birth, your home, postal address, your city where you live, country where you live, your zip code, phone number, mobile phone number, your email address. Confirm your email address, choose password, confirm password. Your account security question, please put your account security question, how you find us. Please, you can put down below. There's my referral ID there in the description. Please go into the description below to get my referral ID to fix into this place. Then you put this captcha Y2D70, just put it into it. Then you confirm your password, then you register. That is that to it. Okay, so normally this is how your page will look like. Let me quickly go back. Since I already have an account, I want to show you how my dashboard will look like. Let me click on it, sign in. Okay, I open it like this, 3 6 2 4. Okay, I sign in. Okay, all right, now it has opened. This is my dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. I have 0.0 cent. Okay, this is how my dashboard looks like. This is how yours will be like. Okay, so if you find value in my video, please smash the subscribe button down below, comment, and let me know what you think about this video, and subscribe to my channel. Please, the other videos that are related to this on how you can click on ads and make money is in the description. The links are in the description down below, so please go to the description down below to get the other videos and to get your referral ID for this site. Thank you for watching.